This introduction will explore how you can customize your trading workspace to make it look and work like the famous Bloomberg Terminal. TradingView provides a bunch of tools and features that allow you to design your own perfect trading setup. Get ready to take your trading to the next level with a layout that's just right for you. As you can see, I have a fresh new chart here with the Apple stock, and I want to transform this layout to the Bloomberg Terminal as much as possible. So we start with just a simple step, and that means I do a click on my profile and change to dark mode. Next step is we're gonna look at the background. So I go to the settings, canvas, and here we have the background settings. I want to use a gradient style and start with a light blue color, and as you can see, the color changes from blue to very dark. I mean, if you want, you can use a slightly more dark blue color and it looks even better. So the next step would be to have the grid lines. They look fairly okay. So let's have a look here. The vertical and horizontal lines. We can do a simple change to the color, but as you can see, they're pretty okay. So the next step would be we're gonna change the font color. You can see them here with the text and with a slightly gray color. We're gonna change that to a very brighter orange and use this one. And as you can see, it looks a lot more than the Bloomberg Terminal color. And what I really like is to have a larger font as well to make it easier reading the numbers. So the next step would be, after the text or fonts, I want to have a look on the symbols. I mean, the Bloomberg Terminal comes along with a lot of area charts. So for example, if I want to change from candles to an area, then we have this area chart. But when we compare this one to the Bloomberg Terminal, it has a white color or a white line of the area chart. We're gonna change this one here in the symbol settings, underline and choose white. And as you can see, now you have this very similar layout like the Bloomberg Terminal. So as you can see, with this few changes, you have a very similar layout like the Bloomberg Terminal. And if you have any question to this one, I'm gonna make another one focusing on the candles. But if you have any questions, just let me know or write a comment. And please subscribe to this channel, and looking forward seeing you. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.